If your Ford Ranger 6.7 is refusing to fire up, we are going to trace the electrical and fuel issues stopping you. Before you panic about the engine, remember that nearly half of all no-start cases are simply due to low battery voltage. Let's break down the diagnostic process so you can find the culprit without wasting money on parts. Start with the basics by cleaning your battery terminals and checking for any stored fault codes in the computer. Diesel engines need high fuel pressure to start, so a clogged filter or a weak lift pump is a primary suspect. On the electrical side, a bad starter or a faulty glow plug module will prevent the combustion cycle from starting. Simple maintenance like filters and batteries are easy DIY jobs, but internal fuel pump issues require professional tools. Repair costs vary wildly, from a $200 battery to over $1,000 for a fuel system overhaul. If it still won't start, use a scanner to verify the fuel rail pressure is reaching the required starting threshold. Make sure you have a reliable multimeter and a scanner that can read Ford-specific diesel data. As the pros say, regular maintenance is your best defense against a sudden no-start condition. Check those battery connections first and you'll likely be back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching.